Today, I'm preparing a delicious dessert for a potluck dinner. And I'd like to share with you this wonderful recipe so you can enjoy it as well. Delicious, smooth and silky banana cheesecake. This is a no-bake recipe. So let's get into it. To prepare the crust, pulse the vanilla wafers into a fine crumb using a food processor or blender. Mix together the vanilla wafer crumbs, brown sugar, and melted butter. Stir the ingredients well, making sure that the crumbs are completely coated. Lightly grease the bottom and the sides of a 9-inch springform pan. Pour the crumb mixture into the pan and press well into the bottom and partially up the sides of the pan. Decorate the crust in the meantime until we are ready with our cheesecake filling. Get a medium-sized mixing bowl and beat the cream cheese until smooth. In a separate bowl, combine the banana pudding and cold milk together. Add the banana pudding mixture into the cream cheese. Add the mashed banana and blend well until smooth. Add the whipped cream to the mixture, folding gently and blending well. Then add the cheesecake mixture into the prepared vanilla wafer crust. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 4 hours. For this recipe, I've sprinkled the cheesecake with remaining cookie wafer crumbs and placed mini wafer cookies around the edges of the cake. Optionally, you can also garnish with fresh banana slices. To prevent premature browning of the banana slices, you can brush the sliced bananas with lemon juice prior to placing it on the cheesecake. You can also garnish the cheesecake with plain whipped cream. Use the whipped cream when you are about to serve the cheesecake. While we are waiting for the cheesecake to chill in the fridge for 4 hours, I have some banana jokes for you guys. Joke number 1. What did the doctor say to the banana? Answer: how are you peeling? Joke number 2. How do you open a banana? Answer: with a monkey. Joke number 3. When the banana picked up the phone, what did it say? Answer: yellow. Joke number 4. Why do bananas do so well on the dating scene? Answer: bananas have a peel. The joke's done. 4 hours chill time over. Our banana cheesecake is ready. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.